How'd you know, Cat?
What's up, everyone? Welcome back for another video. Thanks for joining me. If you're not subscribed, be sure to hit that subscribe button. If you're already subscribed, you're awesome. Thank you. So we got some errands to run today, and we're also waiting on some parts to get delivered, which are delayed another day. Hopefully they're here today. Kind of makes it a little difficult not to just shop at Amazon, but it is what it is. Today's video, we're gonna go over some warranty safe mods. Now, I already have a video on warranty safe mods that I filmed a long time ago, and I don't remember exactly everything that was in the video. So if I repeat myself, I'm sorry. I'm gonna link that one up in the top corner over there. And now let me get this out of the way. Basically, any mod is a warranty safe mod if you think about it the correct way. A dealership can only void your warranty or not do a warranty repair if they could prove that the part you installed was the reason for the failure. Hey guys, Future Chris here. Looking at the footage quick of explaining the whole warranty safe thing, I realized I didn't do such a great job explaining it, so look into the Magnuson Warranty Act as part of this whole video process. They basically have to prove that the part you installed caused the failure. So if you installed headers and you blew up your differential, you're probably safe. If you installed a suspension and then destroyed an axle or a CV boot, that's probably on you. So like, think of it things like that. It's kind of dealership based. Some are a little more lenient than others. And to my understandings, dealerships get more money doing regular customer repairs than they do warranty work, so they want you to pay for it yourself out of pocket. This isn't legal advice, by the way. I'm just some guy on YouTube, but keep that in mind. Look up the Magnuson Warranty Act. Let's get back into the video. Now, you might think these mods are completely ridiculous or not cool enough, but let's face it, not everyone wants to take the chance of having to deal with the dealership, possibly not wanting to fix something, having to go through corporate for whatever manufacturer you have just to try to get your car fixed. Maybe you want to make sure you keep that warranty. Maybe you answered one of those phone calls about your car's extended warranty and now you have a full extended warranty, or however those calls actually work. I never went through with those. Sorry if you did. Some of these mods we're going to go over, you might think they're too basic or whatever for yourself, but let's face it, most people are modifying their cars so they look different. Not everyone wants to modify their car just, well, I mean, it's for yourself, but they want other people to know they've spent money on their car, I guess. Like, you don't want to, most people don't want to just put like a shifter bushing in as their modification and no one knows. They want more people to see it, I guess, if that makes sense. So the first thing we're gonna go with here, which I believe was actually in the other video, is wheels and tires. So wheels and tires are gonna completely transform the look of your car or truck, and it will, depending on how heavy or light they are, like if you have a truck and you get heavier wheels, or if you have a car and they're lighter wheels, it's gonna change your handling characteristics. Tires are a big thing that also change your characteristics. If you have all-season tires on your car and you change them to summer tires in the summertime, you got to be safe about it. You're gonna have more grip, stiffer sidewalls. It's gonna change your car. You will probably have more fun. You're gonna have a good time.
Having a good time. That's right. Now,
another one that I believe was in the other video is an exhaust system. So your exhaust system, obviously, who doesn't want their car to be louder? Let's cut this guy off. Now, who doesn't want their car to be louder and more aggressive sounding? I'm gonna go over quick. Obviously, catback is your safest bet. Well, axleback is your legit safest bet, then catback. Then when you do the full exhaust, that's when you start getting a little more iffy with your warranty stuff. So most places allow catback exhausts. Most companies and dealerships, it also depends on the dealership you go to, most of them have no problem with the catback exhaust. Now this one might not seem, you might not automatically think of it as a mod or whatever, but it does change the look of your car, and it does change, I guess, the privacy also, is window tint. The state I live in, New York, window tint is basically outlawed. It depending on your vehicle, you're allowed to have tints just on the back windows, and the front's like 70%, which is like basically nothing. But if you live in a more free state, you could have almost, I don't even know if it's legal anywhere, but you could have like limo tint and stuff like that. It ups your privacy. No one can actually see in your car what you have in the car, especially if you have like a camera like this. Actually helps keep some heat out because they have like different ceramics and stuff like that. So it actually keeps the inside cooler. And it also just makes it look better. I think tints make your car look better. All right, so we're pulling into our first stop, the post office. This could take 5 minutes or 2 hours. Wish me luck. 5 minutes. We good. So we got 3 mods down. I'm gonna try to keep this to 5, even though 2 of them are, I think, are from the last video, but they're also very, very safe, awesome mods to do. Number 4, I would probably say some LED lights in your car. So inside the car, most cars have like a little like halogen bulb. Even your turn signals will usually be halogen. I mean, unless it's a newer car, but some newer cars still don't have. But even though those, and your headlights, so a nice LED bulb is gonna like up the feel of your car. I remember when I had my WRX, inside the car was all little halogen bulbs, and I upgraded them to LED, and it just gave it a nicer feel, more luxurious, if you would say. They help. They definitely help, especially in my truck. The LED headlights helped a ton, even though the headlights themselves suck. They kind of still suck, but the headlights made it suck even less. So you do that, do your turn signals, gonna make your car nicer. You're gonna enjoy it. Just make sure if you're doing turn signals, you find ones that have you can get a module, or the bulbs themselves have the hyper blink cancellation, because if you ever see cars when they hit their turn signal and it blinks really fast, that's because it's an LED bulb. Usually your car does that because halogen bulbs, when you blow one of the bulbs out, I think something with the resistance, but it does that if you have halogen bulbs. That's how you know one of your lights are out. So you need that cancellation. I mean, unless you like the fast blink, that's on you. And there's a Supra. Sick. Can't see it. Now those bulbs are probably the riskiest thing out of all these mods I'm listing, like warranty safe mods. Those are probably the riskiest, even though they're not even a problem. Just go with a reputable company and you're good. You'll never have issue with it. You just email the company you got the LED bulbs from. You can most likely get a replacement if you have anything wrong with them, and they're most likely not going to. I mean, there's one-off cases where something gets completely fucked in your car, but they're very safe. Gotta go to Trader Joe's, and I feel like I needed more than just milk.
Oh, he needs some milk.
All right, stop 2. Let me go get some groceries, some provisions, and then we'll be back. We'll talk about the 5th and final mod to keep your warranty safe. And we're back. I did get more than just milk. Now that we're back, we got one more stop to make, but before we make that stop, let's go over the 5th and final one for this video. So I'm only listing 5, try to keep it short and sweet. If you like these videos, like the idea of this video and whatnot, let me know down below. I got more ideas to spice up like your interior and stuff like that. Could make for some good lists, especially if you're like kind of new to the car modification game, you don't know which route to go. These lists can help out. Number 5 that I want to put on this list for like warranty safe mods. These are as safe as possible with this entire list, because I think my other list I even had like suspension work, and that could get iffy here and there. So number 5 is going to be exterior aero bits. Depending on the vehicle you have, they most likely make carbon fiber pieces that attach to the outside of your vehicle. So I'm not talking about like the AutoZone stuff, like the little side fender vents and the hood scoops and stuff like that. I'm talking about actual aero bits that you could get. I know a popular mod, if you have a WRX, I'm saying it again because I had one swapping over and getting the STI wing. You could also get a big like GT wing for basically any car. If you want a carbon fiber hood, carbon fiber trunk, and even carbon fiber lip. I mean, even the lip doesn't have to be carbon fiber because you might smack that on the curb or in driveways and stuff like that. So maybe not so much a carbon fiber lip, but they do have carbon fiber looking ones. Not a bad choice. I think a lip is the only time I'm cool with fake carbon fiber, just because there's a good chance you might destroy it. Things like a wing go a very long way. You don't have to get just whatever wing is available for your car. Some people find wings that fit on different cars and put it on their own car. It's not always going to be a foolproof plan. They're not always going to fit, but it will set you apart from the crowd if you could get it to work. Last stop. And we're back home. So going over this list, if you made it this far, you might be not as hyped about the list because you're thinking like, man, there was no cold air intakes or headers or turbos and stuff like that. Yeah, like I said earlier, we're trying to keep it as warranty friendly as possible. So if this list helped give you a couple ideas of modifying your vehicle, give me a thumbs up. Let me know if the list sparked your imagination a little bit or whatever. Let me know down below. Let me know if you like this style video. I can make a bunch more. I have some ideas of how to make your interior a little more user-friendly, more luxurious, or whatever you want to call it. I can make a video about that. Got a lot of stuff going on behind the scenes right now, and also waiting on parts, so it's a little harder for me to like really dive into a big project right now. And especially the garage is a mess from if you saw last video. Still waiting on cleaning up some of that, so it's kind of hard to move around. But hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, leave some comments down below for me. If you made it this far in the video, write stock engine in the comments down below. I will see you guys on the next one. Once again, let me know if you like this. We make videos every Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays at 3 p.m. I will see you guys on the next one. Peace out.